Just keep on following the road ahead now. Watch your speed, 20 zone. I see a large vehicle coming towards me, I'm braking. I'm not sure. Safest option for me was to brake, because he was coming at speed and I was coming slowly, even though he had the hazard on his side. Because I saw his speed, I wasn't sure if he would slow down in time.
Turn left, B802 North Bridge Street.
So I chose the safest option, which was to slow down, because I saw how fast he was coming down this 20 zone. I'm positioning my car to the left, letting these cars go past, but watching out for the children on the left hand side. One of the kids there, he was very close to the curb, so I was just mindful of him. We are turning left.
Turn left.
Check your mirrors with the left, signal left. Watch out for the kids on the left at the curb. It only takes one wrong step and they could fall off the edge of the curb, so be mindful of that. It is safe for me to go, and I'm watching my left because of the school kids. Be careful, extra careful.